Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to save product image from AliExpress? Let me show you how to download them. First, open up the AliExpress app on your phone. Find the product you want to save. Example this one. Once you are on the product page, tap and hold on to the image you want to save. Tap on the three dot option. From here, you can copy the link. Tap on more option. From here, you can download it. And that's it. Now you know how to download AliExpress image. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more quick tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.